Today we're celebrating our 5th annual Walk a Mile in Her Shoes event, and it's a fundraiser, international march to raise awareness around violence against women and the prevention of sexual exploitation. Today the men will be marching in women's red high-heeled shoes around Squamish, and it will be a symbolic mile. This is an annual fundraiser to raise awareness around sexual exploitation and violence against women, and we hope to raise $10,000 this year from this event to help keep our drop-in center open.
How does the high heels feel?
Ouch.
So is this the first time in heels?
This is my second time in heels.
Yeah, so why do you do this?
Just to support and raise awareness for the women and the Women's Center and all the great things they do.
It's pretty unnatural. It's not comfortable. It's the toes where it seems to focus the issue, but it's for a good cause, so you grin and bear it.
How's the high heels?
The high heels are painful. I have newfound respect for girls that wear them.
They have women's supply of girls. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
If anyone would like to get involved, donate money, volunteer for our organization, or just find out more about the Howe Sound Women's Center, you can go to hswc.ca or give us a call at 892-5748.